Look at your life right now. Maybe you are working a job you hate. Maybe you are waking up tired, drinking cheap coffee, and counting days until the weekend. Maybe you look at your bank account and feel that tightness in your chest. You want more. You want freedom. You want to wake up without an alarm, without a boss, without that feeling of being trapped. That is why you came to trading. Not because you love charts, because you love the idea of a different life. But here is the problem. You think you need a big account to start? You think if you only had $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, then you could finally make it work. That is a lie. That lie is keeping you stuck. Because while you wait for a big account, you are doing nothing. And doing nothing changes nothing. So let me tell you something. You only have $20. That is okay. Most successful traders started smaller than you think. They did not begin with thousands. They began with whatever they could afford to lose. $20, $50, $100, and they grew it. Slowly, boringly, but surely, because they understood something you do not yet understand. Trading is not about the size of your account. Trading is about the size of your discipline. A trader with $20 and strong discipline will eventually grow. A trader with $10,000 and no discipline will eventually lose it all. So, stop waiting. Stop saying, I need more money. Start with what you have. Today, $20 is enough to begin your journey. Not to get rich, to get discipline. And discipline is what turns $20 into thousands. Let me give you a life truth. Every big thing starts small. Every oak tree started as an acorn. Every river started as a drop of water. Every millionaire started with the first dollar. The problem is, most people despise small beginnings. They want the big result without the small start. So they wait and wait and wait, and nothing changes. Do not be most people. Be the one who starts with $20 and treats it like $1 million. Because how you do anything is how you do everything. If you cannot respect $20, you will not respect $20,000. If you cannot follow rules with a small account, you will not follow rules with a big account. The market does not care about your account size. The market cares about your behavior. So let me give you the rules for starting with $20. Rule number 1, accept that you are not trading to get rich. You are trading to learn. $20 is your tuition. Your goal is not to turn it into $1,000 in a week. Your goal is to make it last for 3 months. If you can keep $20 alive for 90 days, you have learned more than most traders learn in years. And more importantly, you have proven to yourself that you have discipline. That proof is worth more than any winning trade. Rule number 2. Risk 20 cents per trade? Yes, 20 cents. That is 1% of $20. Set your stop loss so that if you are wrong, you lose exactly 20 cents. No more, no less. Do this every single trade. Why? Because in life and in trading, survival is more important than victory. You cannot win if you are not in the game. That proof is worth more than any winning trade. Rule number 2. Risk 20 cents per trade. Yes, 20 cents. That is 1% of $20. Set your stop loss so that if you are wrong, you lose exactly 20 cents. No more, no less. Do this every single trade. Why? Because in life and in trading, survival is more important than victory. You cannot win if you are not in the game. Small risks keep you in the game. Rule number 3. Target 20 cents profit, 1%. That is it. Do not aim for $5. Do not aim for $10. Aim for 20 cents. If you win 20 cents, you have grown your account by 1%. That is a successful day. In life, we are trained to want big wins. But big wins usually come with big risks. And big risks can end your journey. Small wins, consistent wins. That is how real wealth is built. In trading and in life. Rule number 4. 1 trade per day. Maximum, not 2, not 3. 1. With $20, every loss hurts more than it should. Your emotions are amplified. The only way to protect yourself is to limit your exposure to 1 trade per day. Win or lose, close the laptop, walk away. Go, live your life. Trading is not supposed to be your whole life. Trading is supposed to give you your life back. Rule number 5. Do this for 90 days. 90 days of 1 trade per day. 90 days of 20-cent risk. 90 days of 20-cent target. 90 days of closing the laptop after 1 trade. 90 days of proving to yourself that you can follow rules. 90 days of building discipline. At the end of 90 days, your account will not be thousands of dollars, but it will be bigger than $20. And more importantly, you will be a different person. A person who does what they say they will do. A person who follows rules even when no one is watching. A person who respects small beginnings. And that person can take $100 and turn it into 1,000. That person can take 1,000 and turn it into 10,000. That person can take 10,000 and turn it into 100,000. Because the percentage is the same. The rules are the same. The only thing that changes is the size. You are not building a trading account. You are building a person who can be trusted with money, a person who can be trusted with freedom. Start with $20. Not because $20 will make you rich, because $20 will make you disciplined. And disciplined people get rich slowly. But they get there, and they stay there. Here is your assignment. Take your $20. Open your account. Write down your rules. 1% risk. 1 trade per day. 20-cent target, tape them to your screen. Tomorrow morning, take your first 20-cent risk trade. Win or lose, close the laptop. Do not check your phone every 5 minutes. Do not revenge trade. Do not take a second trade, just 1. Then, live your life. Do this for 7 days. Then check your account. Then check yourself. You will see something changing. Not just your balance, your mind. $20 is not a joke. It is your beginning. Your small beginning. And small beginnings are how every big story starts. Start tomorrow. Start small. Start disciplined. Start with $20.